Leading local this evening in our top story, we're now on the second day of the U.S. government's case against the state of North Dakota and the 15th day of the trial overall.
Today, the U.S. called upon Dr. Edward McGuire, a criminology professor at Arizona State University, who critiqued North Dakota's law enforcement response to the DAPL protests.
KX News' Mary Gutenkoff has more from today's hearing.
Dr. McGuire said there were some instances in which law enforcement responded well given the situation. However, he said that overall their response was flawed, outdated, and inconsistent with nationally accepted police standards and best practices. For one, when looking at their use of fire hoses during the Backwater Bridge incident, he said that's a tactic not used in the U.S. and is common in dictatorships or totalitarian regimes. He also critiqued the arrest of famous actress Shailene Woodley as she was engaged in a social media livestream, which showed her involvement in the protest. Dr. McGuire said that it was a mistake to single someone out and arrest them for peacefully protesting, especially if they had as large of a fan base as Woodley. In the cross-examination, North Dakota pointed out that the national police standards by which Dr. McGuire was judging North Dakota was released 5 years after the protest ended. North Dakota also clarified that Woodley was one of 24 arrested during the incident, and although she may have been peacefully protesting, she was also trespassing on private land. Dr. McGuire admitted that law enforcement response could be reasonable despite not being considered best practice. Reporting for KX News, I'm Mary Gutenkoff.
The state also drew attention to the fact that Dr. McGuire only has a few months of experience as law enforcement, and in that position he was involved in just one protest which lasted less than a day.